Hello friends. First, you have to open the stapler pin from the box. Take a stapler pin box. Now, open the stapler pin box. Now, just stapler pin set to set around the sets of stapler pin have to be placed facing each other. Two together will be a set of the stapler pin. Two together step by step around these two stapler pin set around by step by step. First, you have to keep one set standing and arrange it. You have to place two set around it. Now try it. Pin set around. Now take a stapler pin to set around by step to set. Wow! Now after placing two set around it. Wow! Now you have to arrange the three stapler pin on top and place them. Now one stapler pin set on top. Now two stapler pin set on top. And again. Now three stapler pin set on top. Wow! Beautiful stapler pin craft. Now you see a beautiful stapler pin craft has been made. Wow! You can try it. Wow! Nice. This is a stapler pin craft idea. New generation. You can try. Wow! Thanks for watching.